Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Coaching and why you need to choose it. We've all seen it before. Some PPC agencies and freelancers try to tout PPC as a kind of a business panacea, a cure for every ailment your potential customer's business might have. Prepare the right kind of content for customer acquisition. In business-to-business marketing, the two types of content B2B buyers say are the most effective are testimonials and case studies. It makes sense because both types of content provide proof of the effectiveness of your service. They do it in different ways, so it would be best not to rely on one of them alone and use them together instead. Remember, you must be able to see things from your client's perspective. As a PPC agency or a freelancer, your objective always stays the same: to use your customers' or clients' PPC budgets in a way that most effectively achieves their goals. You have to understand what's most valuable to them, and you need to be able to communicate in a clear and meaningful way. That's what customer-centric businesses do. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.